So apparently we might get aliens before GTA 6. Let me set the stage. So I'm currently waiting for the most important Amazon package in my life.
Was the knight in shining armor.
What's in it? It doesn't even matter. Cause now my TikTok feed is blowing up of people seeing UFOs all over the States. And I can't let that happen. I can't let this package be delayed. Welcome to 2024, where even aliens have beef with my 2-day shipping. But now for real, I'm just trying to make sense of this because Congress is saying things, TikTok is saying things, people have all their opinions. Well, as a trusted news source, Chromedex, I think I am more than capable of addressing a subject of planetary matter. I'm always telling the facts in my videos. I am never exaggerating. If you know me, you know I can be trusted with such important matters. If you've watched my content for a while, you know that UFOs aren't out of my jurisdiction. So if I'm understanding right and my assessment is correct, there's UFOs or drones or both flying all over the USA states. Isn't there like widespread video equipment all over the globe, but all the images we get are grainy, shitty fucking images that could be easily altered? I'm a video editor and I often think of AI nowadays because AI is getting scary good. AI probably could have done shitty grainy images of UFOs and drones all over the place because they can pretty much do anything. So, and in case this is an actual alien thing, it was cause mass panic because you know how humans get, buying all the toilet paper and the Purell for the COVID-19. So if alien comes, what'll they buy? They'll dry out all the grocery stores, buying all the chicken bakes and double chocolate cookies so it could last them for 10 years, building their own Operation Rizzler. I keep hearing theories on TikTok about the Blue Beam project, that a messiah, prophet, whatever, will come down and destroy and repel all the aliens so we can all see him as a unique figure and we can all align under one religion. It would be like a world peace conspiracy. Why would the government care about world peace if war is such a lucrative business? Do you think they would prioritize the health and well-being of most people in the world? Or they would like to keep making billions of dollars? You think you can stop Joe Biden doing a fucking drone strike in Iraq? Just for the sake of world peace? I personally won't believe it's aliens unless I get abducted, brought up in space and get experimented on. Hopefully they'd give me like some cool superpowers so I can come back and flex on all the homies. I'm trying to see a green baddie with antenna in my lifetime. If this gal abducted me, I might not even fight back. Bruh. In any case, if aliens came to Earth, who would you send to represent humanity? Politicians?
China!
Scientists? Philosophers?
You gotta put like an emphasis on it, like tuh.
Voices of diplomacy and intellect. Logical choices, sure. Are they the best choices? Can they handle any situation? Physical, psychological, or even cosmic? Would their presence command respect? Would they carry an aura so powerful, so undeniable, that even beings from another galaxy would recognize? Nah. The most fit to handle aliens on Earth? He'll dunk on all those aliens, no problem. But for real, no bullshit. I'm just a chill guy making some YouTube videos, so if aliens actually come and destroy us, whatever. Well, either we're doomed or either you'll get the most fire alien content you'll ever see. But in any case, I hope they can't intercept my precious package that cost about 20 Canadian bucks, which is about $2 in American money, because I'm a be needing it for my next video. Well, Chromedex signing off. That's my thoughts on the alien thing that's going on right now in New Jersey or all over the USA. So hopefully I get to see one of my own. Maybe they'll stick around. Who knows, they might see this video and actually abduct me and give me superpowers. So if you're an alien watching this, well, you know what to fucking do. I live at City. See you in a couple days for my Christmas special video.